Hello, welcome to Lazy Ass Dinners. I'm Mickey. Today we're making TV dinner turkey and stuffing. Brings back good memories of me being a small child. The TV dinner on my lap watching the Incredible Hulk. It's a struggle meal. It's cheap. One of my fucking favorites. We're going to add 2 packs of turkey gravy mix. Next, 2 cups of water. I think 2 cups of water. 2 cups cold water. Whisk. There. A little bit of pepper. A little bit of garlic powder. Onion powder. Just sliced deli turkey meat. If you want to use the good stuff from the deli, you can. This is a pound. Little thin. Just gonna plunk them in there. There we go. Get her in the gravy a little bit. That's it. All this really needs to do is heat up, warm through. I'm gonna put it on low for a couple of hours. See you in a few. Welcome back to Lazy Ass Dinners. Turkey and gravy. It's done. 2 hours on low. Got some peas and stuffing. If I had a hard ass brownie, I would add that too. Just for nostalgia's sake. Here we go. Turkey and gravy, stuffing, peas. All I need now is sit down and watch some of the Incredible fucking Hulk. Lou Ferrigno's my favorite. Anyway, thanks for watching my bullshit. Have the day you deserve.